What's up? What's up? What's up? This is JV Wonder, your captain speaking. Getting ready for another game dev thing. This time I'm doing a little more differently. Something I don't do often on this channel, which is draw. So if you give me a moment, I'll be up there in about 3, 2, 2.5, 2.75, 2.25. 1.5. Okay, okay, I'm getting on now. Hi guys. So far, we we got a few things taken care of. One of the things right now I have the engine up. I have this set up, and actually let me mute the audio and pull this up, and you should be able to hear it. Now I have a hold on a second. Lower that down, I think. Nope. It's still out. Let me see. Right here. I think that would do. So anyways, like I said, I was able to get the attack. I was able to get the different variation attacks. I haven't fixed fixed this yet, where the controls are a little chunky, because if you look at this, the aim is at the rock, not looking correct. I was able to update the dash a little bit, where instead of the arrow, I decided to go back with the direction it dashed, and the last direction you moved, it will actually dash towards that direction. I think doing it this way instead of having it dash towards the arrow is gonna be a bit more better than just trying to dash towards the direction. That way you can be able to, if there's enemies, you can move, you can focus, move around, and do that instead of just trying to dash through a direction. Another thing I did, I kind of did a little bit in Houdini, where I can close this down, where I just was able to just create a wavering. It's just something that I did in Houdini. Is a mesh that that with lines that is drawn, and the goal of this, and which kind of segues me back here, is to doing hold on a second, trying to accomplish something like this. Basically the goal is right now is just to make a UV, or design a UV type of thing, and try to not UV, make a visual effect for each attack. So far I only did one, and this is one for the special attack, where basically the idea is to be able to do a AoE attack from the middle, where it have it grown, and have it where it be grown, it'd be like attack, but we're making a little small change. This time we're actually, instead of that, we're trying to make it expand out like this, instead of through a spear. And hopefully to be able to, hopefully the goal is to make it get this finished and get a good looking thing go on. Right now, I'm kind of being not super not super into it, but not, and a bit lazy but it's I'm not really a big expert on doing something like visual design. So I'm basically just going trying to wing this as soon as quickly as possible, and just so I can get a certain idea out and made, which I'll be honest, I kind of did. I know for a fact it's going to have notes, and I know for a fact I've been kind of drawing notes around, and the idea is to have this expand, have this expand around Narissa, whereas like you'll see like little things come on on the ground, whereas like around her, and I'm thinking like feathers kind of pluming along with the notes, and I think having what's it? Where's my? There we go. Having the having something like this, like draw like pushing out, something like this. And I'm just trying to draw it out and just trying to think about this. And I don't think I want to like try to get a little bit of smoke, but I think but just enough so I can make a really decent looking visual effect. That's kind of basically it. Of course already I kind of got one of the things ready to go. The next is pretty much a note, and I think I also want to try to get a small disc where where the center and just zooms out. Um, One thing to note, I kind of not say cheated, but I actually bought one of the bought an marketplace asset, which kind of looks cool, and I want to try want to use that. I haven't imported it yet, but I'm going to do that soon. And I think once I have that taken care of, I think the next step I'll try to do is like I want to do more to I want to do another one for the second special attack, which I think I'll actually do on stream. But I think for this and for right now, I think this would do. Um, I I think I almost forgot to export this. No, I think I have this exported, but I don't think I have it export right now. And I think for these notes, for the notes here, I want the notes to be more actually out here, like expanding along a line with the expanding along the line with the lines. Right now, I don't think I'm not gonna be able to make it perfect because I wanted to make it. Let's see. I want like along the line, want to attach on it. It's just I think I don't know how to approach that exactly. Like if that, of course, if that doesn't work, what my goal, if I can't get that going, is just like have like notes just expand it out and then disappearing. And I think after with that, I'm also gonna do something similar with the next tech. But for right now, let me actually go through a little bit. I don't know my music stuff, but I know the design look cool. I mean, I mean, I have done music before. I have probably in high school. I done violin, and before that, done the flute. I used the flute. And I used the violin. But that was like way back when I was like probably in high school, and one in middle, and one was in like no, not in high school, middle school, and I was in elementary. Um, I think back then was like I was definitely want to try out I figure out what I want to do. I think back then I was doing music, trying to see. I think most likely just trying to keep myself busy. But I think way back then, like I know I wanted to either play games or make games or do something along that line, or more or less. As a, I think back then I think I wanted to be an astronaut. Just like way back before we have we use computers for the internet, and stuff I used was like using AOL. I think like when I was in around high school, no middle school. I ain't that old. Like what around middle school, I was more we were getting more familiar with how to use a computer and how to use the internet. Uh, Back then I feel like I was like an expert because I've been using computers for a while. Maybe not to the extent maybe not to the extent to where I am now, but I've been just using it. Let's see. I got the idea. I think I got the idea down. It's just now I just need to actually get the I need to get this out. I think but I think I may have already done that already. Give me a second. We go to the effect. Yes, I do have one musical. I have one musical note. Let me have. I want to actually grab a few more, or instead of grabbing a few more, and let me just copy that. I do, and just straight up delete the other note. And move you over here. And I can just fill this little top over here with this. I'll save that. Create a copy. Put that bad boy in the PNG. And I'll just use press 2. I think I'm going to just use these two for right now. And I'm going to go ahead and bring that in. Textures. No, oh, is it in here? Well, oh, I see this texture in here, so must be it. Let me actually grab those notes, drag them in here, and because we have that, we're gonna make this a apply texture 2D. And hold on a second, hold on a second. I want to go ahead and grab the selection. There we go. Make this nearest. All right, now that we have that, let me move my tablet out of the way a little bit because now I'm using the mouse. I just need to figure out how I want to do the notes. I think I have a material for the effect. I could use one's called I call it the music ring. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just for this parameter set this texture, and it's kind of gonna be similar like to something like this. But I don't think I want to name it music ring. I guess I'll name this for now effect. The effect. I'll probably come back with a different name with it, but with this allows me to create a instance. I'll say, and I'll name this note. now. Make a duplicate of this. And this one. All right. I have my notes for right now. Actually, real quick. I know I use color here. I know I use color here. Let me get particle color. And need to do something special. I think we want to be able to fade this. So I think I need to multiply. Like wherever this comes out, I want you to come out with that. So I think it's going to start off with 1. And I think right now I'll make a application for this. So that should be good. We should be golden at the moment. Now, let's see. Where did I usually place my effect? Particles right here. Okay. I'll use the Niagara system, and the goal here I'm looking for is like not a single looping particle. I'm looking for I guess I'll start with the omnidirectional. I'll pretty much hit that right now. Name this ns underscore. We named it Sonic Bird. We named the special effect Sonic Bird. And I'm thinking about it it's okay. It's like it works right now, but I want to try to do something with it. They're on. Let's see. Random. We got random. We got position. That's cool. The sphere is. Why do we have a shape primitive on the location? What if? Oh, hold on a second. I have to change my battery for the headset. There we go. Okay. I think it kind of expanding up and falling is not exactly what I'm looking for. I want to make sure that, let's see, we don't have gravity force. Let me see if I can turn that off. I know that's what's happening. There we go. Like that. And let's see. From point linear and from point, let's see. What if I can make this a, can I make this a, can I make this a vector? Make float from vector. And we want a random range from vectors. So we can have minimum of, not 0, but minimum of 50 to 400x, 50, 400y. And we're not going up. What makes channel X, channel Y, and channel C different? Oh. I mean, that'd be cool. Okay. We have the default particles. Which actually, let me take a look at it and see what I can do here. To sign it, sign. Okay, we can do nothing here. Let's not worry about that. Let's actually use our home effect. Let's see. And let's see, rotation. I think we have velocity. We have it's rotating. I don't want it to rotate. Rotation mode, we want no rotation. And let's see. If I were to take this out right now, put it in here and see what it looks like. And I think I want to try to have this looping. Okay, that ain't gonna work. Infinite. Okay. Right. Actually, I'm a little curious. I think I can actually, if I can actually add more. Or not? I don't know. I don't remember exactly. I think I remember being able to add in more sprites. Wait. Okay, that might be a possibility. I can add more sprites. All right, cool. Okay, we know we can add more sprites. Problem is, we can add. It's giving us a merge source of sprites. Oh, let's give us an emitter. This has to be particles. Velocity aligned. That's not exactly what I'm hoping for. But that looks cool. About that actually look cool. Automatic. No. Unaligned. No. That's where the rotation's coming from. Let me turn that off. Oh wait, let's make this. Yeah, sure. Let's make this random. And I don't want the sprites to be bursting downward. I will want this burst just in the X and Y direction, not in and nowhere near the X. Maybe I could. Okay, maybe I can have it actually add a little bit up. Let's say take out Z for a second. Okay. First can be a little bit sparse. Hmm. Okay. That's probably gonna work. That's gonna work. I really want to make the burst a little bit more sparse. And here, 10 over here. Let's make the velocity not a bit more higher. And let's see. I know you probably got don't see that big. Like if I can scale this up a little bit. Move this back. You can see that the notes are kind of coming out a bit more larger than before. Let me knock this up to 100. Save and see what it looks like right now. Not crazy, but that works. Let's see what else we have. Mesh orientation. Mesh orientation. What? Okay, what is mesh orientation? Okay, that was somewhat I was expecting. Okay, good. Whee! It's rotating, but it's rotating in the wrong direction. Let me see. There is 2 paragrams of how we change this mesh. What the heck? Okay, they can write notes. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's actually do an override because we need to actually use a effect. Let's see. We want the mesh to uniform from one. Yeah, it's gonna be a not a random uniform. It's gonna be just a uniform of one. And for our mesh, we want to scale this from not 0.1, but from 1 to let me knock this into 2. No, that let's actually change the particle. Let's just actually change the color. I think it's scale color by speed, or actually scale alpha. And we're going to not lerp, but slope from curve. Bam. Nope. I think for this particle, this needs to be smaller than needs to be a bit more smaller. I said it 10 just to see what it looks like. Now we're gonna set to 3. Hmm. Let me change the scale of this to a vector. And let's make this slope from curve. No. Let me see. Curve. Vector from curve. There we go. No, actually, set this back to 1. Set this to. Hold on a second. Here it is. 3 here. here. Oh, nope. 3 here. One here. We knock this down to 0.6 or 0.2. The only reason why I'm scaling the X and Y is because I want this to be more. Faded. Is this actually fading? Kind of like pops out and just boom. Also, it's probably not it's not the popping. I'm actually it's like not coming out quickly. Let me unlock it. Maybe 1. Not quick enough. 0.5. Let's see. I might also want to rotate this slowly. I think it might. Let's actually make this float from curve. Boom. Like that. Okay. And let me actually grab another one. I have another one right away. So let me get 2. And we're going to make you rotate the other way. Make it not 0.2, but 2.5. Go. 0.7. And let me scale you down. Scale this down by 0.5 here. 2. Okay. Oh, wait. I'm doing it again. Hey, really? You're not scaling down? What's going on here? Okay, maybe it's not. Okay, that's probably not doing its job. Dang it. Um. Me knock that down, knock that down, knock this down. Okay. Scale factor, and we'll do a what is it again? A curve. Vector from curve. There we go. That should. I think that should do it. There we go. There we go. Wait, I figured it. Hmm. Messing this thing around and oh wait, hold on a second. I'm just kind of like messing around a bit. I'm just like, I just noticed there was like a big drag. There's like a drag, and I want to expand that out a little bit. Okay. Hmm. Okay. In order to have the acceleration force, I need to have the um, solid force and velocity. Okay, then. So if I did here, okay, it pushes them into a different direction. Would that be random from all? Probably not. I don't think I don't think the scale of the sprite was large enough. Okay. These are infinite and loop duration of 3. So if I do the same thing for all of them, they're not spinning out the way I want it. One second. Let me see this real quick. I think the notes I'm pushing. Yeah, I thought so. Let's actually make a random range. Make this about 50 here, 50 here, negative 50 here, 50 here, 50 here. We have 100, 100, negative 100 here. All right. Looks way better than what I was thinking of. Hmm. And actually, we're getting a random range, but I think I want to try get. I want to see if I get clamp. What about lerp? What is lerp here? Yeah, maybe not lerp. There we go. Clamp vector. For the minimum, we need about. Right, and for this one, we want a clamp vector. Out. There we go. Okay. Still not sure I'm getting it though. What I could probably do here is actually make a copy. Wait, is it in? It should be in philosophy, yeah. All right, it should be in philosophy, yeah. It should be in philosophy. Let's make a few. Let's make a few. Let's actually make a few of the burst. So this will be rarely a 5. Okay, maybe a random range of 5 between 3 and 5 here. And random range of 10 and 7. I think that should be it. Hmm. Let's see, uniform. Okay, non-uniform. There we go. Okay. I think I know what I'm messing up on. This needs to be non-uniform. All right, here we go. And I think I can scale. Can I scale you? I think I can scale you. Vector from curve. Yeah. Let me. Okay. The last one's low. And that's kind of on purpose for time being. I kind of want to speed that one up. And let's see. Okay, so I think that for the effect here, I think it's not doing exactly what I was hoping for it to do. Part because it's mass and not translucent. If I mess around with it a little bit and see if I can get some of it. Give it some translucency and see if that works. Maybe it works, maybe it will not work. Okay. It'll work a little bit. Oh, that looks nice. Whoa, that's a lot better. Bam. Bam. Okay, so let's get the rest a little bit. Let me get her in. Let me have a pen because I want to see what it looks like when we are placing her in here. Okay. It needs, so far, everything needs to be up a bit. Right now, everything is down, but it needs to be more up. So real quick, let me actually, this is actually easy, an easy fix. Just need to do the position offset, and I want to move this up by 100, I think. There we go, 200. 200. Reason I'm doing this in 200 because I want to scale it. I want to scale it. I want to, when it spawns and when it does its thing, I want it to do a burst. I want it to look like it actually bursting from the top. Let's see. I'm hoping I'm not. Oh god, this. I think it's been pushed. Oh wait. It's not pushing it all the way over there. It's pushing it. Oh wait, I get it now. It needs to be this. Because if it's in, if we set the direct set, it's gonna be somewhere in the game that's not actually in the center. If you catch my drift. So no, not onset. Simulation. There we go. Okay, so let me see about this. Right, this one looks a lot better. If I can push it down a little bit more, 100 each. I'm looking at it now. I'm thinking that I think I could make a. Could I? I think I could make a user property. Make this a vector. And if I make the vector, I can say article offset. And instead of doing this way for each and every one, I might just get the particle offset. It'll do that for me. There we go. Particle offset. Right. Okay. That looks a lot better. All right. Real quick, I not leaving yet, but I'm actually need to go to my on the project that actually holds that birth. And I need to actually pull it into this project. Works for me. I need to open it and get to it. Because not like we got what we're looking for, but it's just missing. I'm missing a bit more oomph here. It needs a little bit more oomph. Like there's not enough oomph here. No, I think I should also make sure we are. I can scale this up a bit. I think I. Oh, I think I can. This is This is kind of exactly what I'm looking for this. I think. Yeah, I think I can scale the mesh. Like that. Okay. Idea. Create another vector. I'll name this music sheet scale. And all I'm doing right now is saying the 1, 1, 3, and then using the music sheet. Using this, I can name this exactly to this. Music sheet scale. Actually, now think about it. If this is set to, sorry, thinking. If this is already set to 1, I'm pretty much scaling to 5. I could probably, what I could probably do is actually make the mesh scale of this to 0.2 for each of them, and then have it from 0.2 to 0.1 in the curve, and then I'll be able to scale the curve to whatever I want. If I have to worry about the multiplication, I'll think about that and I'll worry about that later. Let me get that. Let me get the one I want. And I think what I'm looking for is like this. Not that, no. I mean, this is actually one. Like, this is like not, but it's not as strong as I was thinking of. This I'm going to make use for right now. Wait a second. No, wait a second. Let me grab 2 of these. And we're going to just migrate. I think it's migrate or... Yeah, it's migrate. Hit OK, and we're just going to push you into... down here. Into my source control. My hums and hums. Dum-ba-dum. And I think in here. There we go. Now I can close this down. I don't need it anymore. Because now I actually have the thing I'm looking for. This one. Let's go into our go into here, and I want to see. Kind of curious. I'm trying to figure out if I can. Let's see. Let me actually, if I can copy this, and I can actually paste you in here. Can I? Yes, paste. Okay, that's pretty neat. Huh. These two I don't need to scale. These are... Oh, there we go. Wait, system? Wait. I think that should be it. Oh, wait a second. Still need to still need to learn about the Niagara a little bit. Like there's like a life cycle and system, and there's like self. I'm not sure the big difference between those two. Hmm. Bam. Boom. Um. I need to knock this down. I mean, knock the music sheet 2 down because it's like fading very slowly. Nah, I may knock it out 2.6, and this one to 2.5. think I want to take both of them. One's at 1, the other one's at like 0.5. Let me actually see the big difference. I mean, it works. I'm main for right now, but let me see. We delete you and we actually run around. Find that little spot. Is it looping? It's looping. I feel like this could be scaled up a bit. I feel like that could be scaled up. Oh, and not only scaled up, I think this needs to be. I think these need to be set to exactly 0, and these to be exactly 1. Because I want to multiply. I want to multiply these things to I want to multiply them in here. Let's see. 6. Let's see. Oh wait, I can make a random range. I can make a random range between. Wait, maximum is I got it backwards. Reason why I say I have it backwards because minimum is -1,000. That's the minimum. The maximum is negative 975. And the maximum here is right here. There we go. All right, here we go. There we go. Copy. Let me add this in here. Wait. Why the... Oh. Copy. That explains everything. Paste. There we go. Not doing from point. There we go. Okay. Wait. Okay. Random range. Like I'm still trying to get a good feel of here. Guess I'm trying to make sure I make a hit the random that I want. Hmm. That contest position. I'll leave it like this right now. I don't want to think way too hard. Yeah, I don't think this thing is actually doing what I'm hoping for it to do. Yeah, I don't think it's doing that. Well, what? It's not doing what I'm expecting it to do. Hmm. I mean, maybe it is, and maybe the drag is making this point a little bit stronger. But I'm not seeing any changes here. Maybe I've knocked drag down to like 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think that should be it. Okay. What else? See what we got here. It says one other thing says add velocity from point. I think that's okay. Here's what's happening. The thing is it's coming up more brighter than it should be. Yeah. I'll be honest. I don't think I'm not digging it. I think I need to. I think it might be something like this. Has something to do with this. I need to change up. Maybe, maybe not. No. Is it lighting? Hmm. Maybe it's not the lighting. Okay. Anyway, I want to try to get this. I want to go ahead and try to get this up and going right now. Let's see. Let me get the mic first. Let's see. What needs to happen is we need to go get start something. SDAR. Start attack effect. We need it. We need the sonic burst. We definitely need a sound from it. Nope. We don't have like an explosion we could actually work with. We'll grab the attack pattern. We are going to get. We don't need a number. We don't need a number of traces. We just only need one trace. And for this, we don't need to trace. We could use trace location. Here's how I'm going to do it. Set member. Trace location. Get actor's location. Shove that in there. I think that's kind of it. For this one, we need to use the sphere. Sphere overlap. We have a sphere position. We don't have the sphere radius. And types, we want to focus on just pawn. And active filter, we want to filter we want it to make array, and we want to put self. We would need a radius. I think we have one we can use. Impact pattern. We'll be using a width as the radius. We're going to use a trace location. We'll grab that sphere. That's the filter. We're going to filter this to Holo character. Character, I know it's that, but I just need to find this one right here. We'll check if we have a hit, and we are going to do for each, and this only gives us an array. We're going to need to make I have a array element of cast. Oh my god. There we go. Actually, I don't think we need to do that. It's just looking for an actor, so we can actually use this actor for what we're looking for. And we can use add unique to do that. Perfect. I want this to draw the sphere, and I want to draw this. I want to make this red. The duration of this be 5. Thickness be 1. And goes. Let me save this and let me actually get that going. Let's actually, ooh, go back. There we go. Save this. Is a read-only property, can't be modified directly. Okay, I can fix that. We go into our attribute, and I think this is actually in our action, I think. On here, it's somewhere around here, I think. I think it's somewhere right here. Make this read right. Let me go ahead and reload it. Wait for him to get a build. Why is that? It's doing all that. It's doing that. I'm actually just curious. Okay, here we go. Let's go back into our back, and I want to look at song first again and see if I can make this width a bit larger. Set this to 1,000. Save. And let me look. I don't think I have. Yeah, I don't have it. What I'm going to end up doing real quick is I'm going to set up. I'm going to set up something. And this something is like, oh yeah, I need to set up the ability to use it just for testing purposes. Default action, default special action. We're looking for not first. We save, and we're just going to check if it's in there. Yep, it's in here. We're going to add enemies. For right now, let me get the jailer. Okay. Okay, it worked. Okay, it also worked, but it didn't kill us. It wasn't able to kill itself. I think that's the particle itself. I'm gonna make sure I didn't have that knocked out. Let me first go to the acid, go into particle, go into sonic bursts. Okay, I see what's happening. Okay, I get it. All right, here we go. All right, let's see about sonic burst now. Okay. Needs to be a bit more larger. And the burst needs to be a bit more smaller. Oh, shoot. I'm dashing, I'm actually blocking the... I think that works. Okay, I think when I'm, however, when I'm dashing, I'm actually, blocking... I can't dash through the enemies. Like I'm supposed to. Okay. Real quick, I need to go back to that dash. Because I just know some that didn't thought it could be an issue until I actually started. So I think one thing I need to do, make sure everything's working properly. Wait. I mean, it worked. Okay, I think I'm getting it. And I'm not sure what's happening on the stream right at stream point, but right now I'm like, I'm not seeing what's happening. Okay. Real quick, go quickly pause at the moment. I'm trying to see what's happening because I'm not seeing the stream right now.